Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP and you'll be learning some common adjectives used in the Philippines to describe tastes. Knowing these words can be really fun and useful, especially when you want to express how some food tastes like. It will be a real treat for locals to hear you say these words. Let's start with Matamis. This is sweet in English. Ma-ta-mis. Matamis. 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 Matamis po. Matamis ate. Matamis po kuya. The next one is Maasim. It means sour. A lot of Filipinos like sour food. When you eat something that tastes sour, you can say ma-a-sim. Maasim. 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 Maasim po, ate. Maasim po ba? Now, we have the Filipino word for salty. You'll probably be using this a lot. The word is maalat. Ma-a-lat. Maalat. 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 Maalat ba? Maalat po. Maalat po, kuya. What about bitter? That's mapait. Ma-pa-it. Mapait. 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 Mapait po. Mapait ate. Mapait po, kuya. Then, there's spicy. In Filipino, we say maanghang. Ma-ang-hang. Maanghang. 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 Maanghang po. Maanghang ate. Maanghang kuya. A bonus word is for food that is bland or tasteless. We say walang lasa. Walang lasa. Walang lasa. Walang lasa. Walang lasa. Wala pong lasa, ate. Walang lasa, kuya. Now, let's go over all the words we learned today. Matamis. Maasim. Maalat. Mapait. Maanghang. Walang lasa. Repeat these words, then you're good to go. I hope you find these common Filipino adjectives helpful the next time you go around town and have a chance to talk to locals. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.